Right, first of all, ignore the sunburn and the lack of eyebrows. That just comes with age and not wearing enough sun cream. Why I've come online today is because this morning I was going through my emails, had Sunday brain, even though it is Monday, and one popped up, the one that I'd been waiting for. And now I am the director of my own Live Well, Live True CIC. I am so proud of myself. The journey I have been on has been worth it to get where I am today. I have struggled. I've been through traumatic experiences. I've lost myself, lost my self-esteem. But today, all that's been worth it to get where I am. And I want to reach out to women who maybe are in the same situation and just don't know what to do with themselves, lost confidence, menopause, or just all that. Please contact me. I'm still on my website. Get your free discovery call in. Share this with me.